Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure wealth tracking with Acorns step by step clearly. Open the Acorns app on your device. Log into your account or create a new account if you haven't done so. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Tap on the Invest tab to begin configuring your wealth tracking. Select Portfolio to view your current investments. Scroll down to find the Wealth Tracking section. Tap on Wealth Tracking to access the configuration options. Choose the financial goals that you want to track. Input your target financial goals, such as saving for retirement or a big purchase. Set the time frames for these goals to get a clearer picture of your progress. Review the suggestions Acorns provides based on your financial habits. Adjust your risk tolerance by selecting a risk level that suits your comfort. Confirm or update your recurring investment settings. Set up round UPS if you wish to add extra funds automatically. Review the summary of your wealth tracking settings. After verifying, tap Save to finalize your configurations. Check the dashboard regularly to monitor your progress toward your goals. Make adjustments as necessary to stay aligned with your financial plans. By following these steps, you can effectively configure wealth tracking in Acorns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.